shit, there's a fucking fly. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's good with you guys. So today I have decided to react to a band that I didn't know even existed until this point. Yeah, and I just heard about it from my dad and I was like, hell yeah, like I want to listen to it because I have no clue what that is. I haven't even heard it. Like I have no clue what you're talking about. So today I'm going to react to live lightning crashes live. So if you want to see my reaction, then please keep on watching.
Yeah! Lightning crash. Center falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion sets in before the doctor can even close the door. Lightning crashing and old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor, all she ever wanted. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall. I can feel it. Crashing under mother cries. Yeah. This moment she's been waiting for, and it slips right in on her. The angel opens her eyes, yeah, and a pale blue colored presents the circle, puts the glory out too high, high. Oh, now feeling calm and back again.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god, I was just, like reacting to the video and I just stared at myself and I'm like so red. It's awful. It looks like terrible. But enough about me. Like, first of all, the song is catchy. Like, by the end, I was like, yeah, like, I love it. The build-up is incredible. It changes all the time. It's just so interesting to listen to the song. The lyrics are quite sad. And his voice are like 3 different voices. To be honest, I didn't even think he can go that high, that he had such a strong voice. It's incredible. And the way he performs it, it's very intimate. It draws you in. It's something about the song and the way he performs it and sings it. It's just something very magical about that. And the audience were amazing. Like, they were amazing. They were singing, they knew every word. You can just feel that he had this glow to him. So, the band dedicated this to Barbara Lewis, one of their high school friends who was killed by a drunk driver around the time the song was written. Her brother-in-law, Corey, told Songfacts the story. The song's lyrics are mostly analogy. Barb donated several organs, including her heart. She was close to Ed and the guys, and died in a car collision with a fleeing armed robber. These lyrics are constantly misunderstood. Yes, Ed is speaking to the circle of life, but specifically to how Barb's life gave a new life to many. That's beautiful. The angel, the baby down the hall, the pale blue eyes of Barb, the pain, confusion. The lyrics are wholly Ed's interpretation of his experience and perception of Barb's impact. Our family has become close with the most genuine and caring man who is still alive today over 10 years later, who has Barb's heart beating in his chest. Lightning crashes, literally lives on. I told you guys the lyrics were deep, like... You know how people say that after the rain or after the storm comes the sun? And I think this is an amazing example for that. This song has been based on something very tragic that has happened in their lives, but still at the same time they were able to make it positive. And I think that is so beautiful, and the aspect of thinking that way is something that a lot of people should learn, including me sometimes, that after every little hard thing, and there's always going to be hard things, there's going to be something good in your life, and you need to cherish that and not, lose that. And this song's lyrics proves as well is that we can try to focus on the littlest things that makes us happy. Please let me know down below in comments, have you ever heard about a band? And if you do, then how did you, found it? Just tell me what you think about it. If you didn't know this band up to this point, then please tell me what you liked about them. And yeah, let's just have a conversation about them, because this is the first time I have ever heard about a band named Live, and I loved it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, let's smile more and let's cherish the littlest things around us and people that we love. And until my next video, bye guys.